Welcome to all. SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, Department of Applied Science online lecture series. I am Assistant Professor Ahir Ma'am from first year Department Engineering Physics. Today we will discuss about numericals based on polarization. Let's see first example. A ray of light is incident on the surface of a glass plate of a refractive index 1.732 at the polarizing angle. Calculate the angle of refraction of the ray. Solution: mu is equal to 1.732. Formula: mu is equal to tan IP, angle of polarization. Then mu 1.732 is equal to tan IP. Then rearrange this equation. IP is equal to tan inverse 1.732. Then IP is equal to 60 degree. Now incident polarization plus refracted polarization is equal to 90 degree. Then angle of refraction is RP is equal to 90 degree minus incident polarization. Then 90 degree minus 60 degree, angle of refraction is 30 degree. Let's move on to second numerical. At what angle of incident should a beam of a sodium light be directed upon the surface of a diamond to produce most complete polarization? And critical angle of a diamond is 24.5 degree. In solution, critical angle is equal to 24.5 degree. An angle of critical is equal to 24.5 degree. Then mu is equal to tan IP. The refractive index of diamond is given by mu is equal to 1 upon sine critical angle is equal to 1 upon sine 24.5 degree is equal to 1 upon 0.4147 is equal to 2.414. Therefore, mu is equal to tan IP. Therefore, angle of incidence required to produce complete polarization is the polarizing angle. Then polarizing angle IP is equal to tan inverse mu. The value of a mu is 2.414. Then IP is equal to tan inverse 2.414 is equal to 67.47 degree, and conversion 67 degree 28 minute. Let's move on to next example. At what angle light should be incident on a glass plate? Then a refractive index of a glass plate is 1.5697 to get a plane polarized light by reflection. Then solution, then refractive index 1.5697. We know formula mu is equal to tan IP. The angle of incidence on the glass plate to get the plane polarized light by reflection is the polarizing angle. Then polarizing angle is equal to tan inverse mu. Then polarizing angle is equal to tan inverse, value of mu is 1.5697. Then polarizing angle is equal to 57 degree 30 minutes. Next example, a polarizer and analyzers are oriented so that the amount of a light transmitted is maximum. To what fraction of its maximum value is the intensity of a transmitted light reduced when the analyzer is rotated through 45 degree and 90 degree? First angle is theta is equal to 45 degree and second angle theta is equal to 90 degree. We know relation intensity is equal to maximum intensity cos square theta. Then I intensity upon maximum intensity I upon Im is equal to cos square theta. Then cos square 45 degree is equal to 1 upon under root bracket square is equal to 1/2 is equal to 0.5. Similarly, we have to solve second 90 degree. We know relation I is equal to Im cos square theta. Then cos square theta cos square 90 degree. Then I upon Im is equal to 0. Next example, Calculate the specific rotation of a sugar solution from the following data. Length of the tube containing the solution 22 cm. Volume of the solution 88 cc. Amount of a sugar in the solution 6 gram. And angle of a rotation 9 degree 54 minute. We have specific rotation S is equal to theta upon L into C. Then we know L is equal to 2.2 dm, C is equal to 6 gram upon 88 centimeter cube, and theta is equal to 9.9 degree. Then S is equal to, means specific rotation is equal to 9.9 into 88 upon 2.2 into 6 is equal to 66 degree. Then specific rotation is 66 degree. Next example, calculate the specific rotation which rotates the plane of a polarization 15.2 degree in 20% and sugar solution of 25 centimeter length. Similarly, we have to solve example. We have specific rotation S is equal to theta upon L into C. Then we know theta is equal to 15.2 degree, L is equal to 20. Theta is equal to 15.2 degree, L is equal to 25 centimeter is equal to 2.5 dm. Then C is equal to 20% is equal to 20 upon 100 is equal to 0.20 gram per cc. Then specific rotation is equal to 15.2 degree upon 2.5 into 0.20. Then specific rotation is equal to 30.4 degree. And goes to last example. Calculate the specific rotation of the sugar solution of 4.5% concentration. If the plane of a polarization is rotated through 6.8 degree in passing through a length of 1.8 decimeter of the solution, then we know relation specific rotation is equal to theta upon L into C. Then L is equal to 1.8 dm, theta is equal to 6.8 degree, then concentration is equal to 4.5% is equal to 4.5 upon 100 is equal to 0.045. Then specific rotation is equal to 6.8 upon 1.8 into 0.045 is equal to 84 degree. Then I hope you have understood these all problems. Thank you.